If you're looking for information on the Stageset Lifetime Deal and review, you've come to the right place. The Stageset Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Stageset Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Stageset Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. You shouldn't be relying on run-of-the-mill emails to close deals with high-ticket prospects. With old tactics like email and cold calling, your prospects aren't picking up what you're putting down, and that's killing your sales. Imagine if you could share sales presentations that were packed with rich, interactive content, so your prospects couldn't help but say yes. Keep track of when prospects enter sales rooms, what they engage with, and when they invite their colleagues to gain insights. Create personalized sales rooms packed with interactive elements, media files, and downloadable content. Stageset lets you create digital sales rooms to centralize and manage all client interactions, from outreach to onboarding. With Stageset, you can create digital sales rooms in just a few clicks to start managing your sales collateral and communications in one place. You'll be able to choose from a variety of templates, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. You can also create your own. Just enter your company name, and Stageset automatically adds your buyer's logo to create a personalized digital sales room. Stageset lets you embed media into your sales room, like videos, slide decks, meeting schedulers, and spreadsheets, so you can keep prospects engaged. Want to streamline the collaboration with your prospects? You can define the next steps, assign tasks, and set deadlines to ensure everything runs smoothly. Plus, you can enable file sharing to let prospects download or upload anything, including complex files like 3D renders. Invite prospects to your sales rooms via URL or with an email. Either way, they'll never have to deal with annoying logins. Stageset records every single interaction to help you see when prospects enter the room, what they interact with, and which of their colleagues they invite. And because you can see which elements have high engagement with your prospects, you'll be able to create stronger sales rooms in the future. Best of all, Stageset tags every deal with an interaction score to help you gauge which deals are hot and which ones aren't hitting anymore. You'll be able to view the status of your team's sales rooms to keep track of every deal at a glance. You can also filter the deal view using different criteria, making it that much easier to sift through deals that are still in progress. With sales rooms, you'll be raking in profits that have you feeling like Oprah. Stageset helps you create sales rooms complete with file embeds, all kinds of interactive elements, and downloadable content. Close the deal every time. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Stageset today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.